Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the fiscal 2024 fourth quarter earnings report of Star Group, a leading home energy distributor and services provider. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Star Group's latest earnings report provides a comprehensive look at their performance over the past quarter and fiscal year. I'm excited to break down the numbers and discuss what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Star Group reported a total revenue of $240.3 million for the fiscal fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 10% decrease compared to the same period last year. John, what factors contributed to this decline?
The decrease in revenue was primarily due to slightly lower volumes sold and a decrease in selling prices for petroleum products. However, this was partially offset by higher service and installation revenue. Despite the revenue drop, it's worth noting that the company managed to improve its Adjusted EBITDA loss by $1.7 million, thanks to higher per-gallon margins and increased profitability in service and installation.
And what about the net loss?
Star's net loss increased by $15.4 million to $35.1 million, largely due to a $28.4 million unfavorable change in the fair value of derivative instruments. However, this was partially offset by a $9.1 million increase in income tax benefit and other cost reductions.
Full year performance and strategic initiatives. Looking at the full fiscal year 2024, Star Group reported a 9.6% decrease in total revenue to $1.8 billion. However, net income increased by $3.3 million to $35.2 million. John, can you explain this contrast?
Absolutely. The decline in revenue was due to lower volumes and selling prices, reflecting reduced wholesale product costs. Despite this, Star Group's net income rose, driven by a $14.7 million increase in Adjusted EBITDA. This improvement was due to higher margins on home heating oil and propane, increased service and installation profitability, and contributions from acquisitions.
What strategic initiatives has Star Group focused on to achieve these results?
Star Group has been concentrating on cost containment and pursuing attractive acquisitions. They are also addressing net customer attrition, which was slightly up at 4.2% for fiscal 2024. The company is well prepared for the upcoming heating season, aiming to provide superior customer service.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies and the future outlook for Star Group. How is the company positioned as we move into the new fiscal year?
Star Group is focusing on operational efficiencies, as evidenced by their efforts to manage customer attrition and optimize their service offerings. They ended the fiscal year with $170.3 million in cash and cash equivalents, which provides a solid liquidity position. Additionally, their goodwill increased to $275.8 million, reflecting strategic acquisitions that are expected to bolster future growth.
What are the key risks and opportunities for Star Group moving forward?
The key risks include geopolitical events affecting product costs, customer consumption patterns, and regulatory changes. However, opportunities lie in strategic acquisitions, cost management, and enhancing customer service to retain and grow their customer base.
Key takeaways. In summary, Star Group has navigated a challenging fiscal year with a decrease in revenue, but an increase in net income and Adjusted EBITDA. Their strategic focus on cost containment and acquisitions has positioned them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Star Group's ability to improve profitability despite revenue challenges is commendable. Investors should watch how the company manages customer attrition and leverages its acquisitions in the coming year.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Star Group's performance in the comments below.